This would be one important question in the interviews. If you are able to understand, then you can answer that. Good. So let's take one example, one interview question. Basically, I have seen this being asked multiple times in the interviews. How do you convert like capital letters to small letters in a string, or small letters to capital letters? This would be using a Cobol. So, how do you convert that? Let's say a string is having all capital letters, and if you want to replace that with small letters, how do you do that? Same thing vice versa, all small letters is present in the string. So how do you achieve converting that into a capital letters with respect to JCL and Cobol? So JCL basically we use shortcuts. So wherever the characters are present, let's say the record length is 1 to 10, so we need to change all the characters from 1 to 10 from uppercase to lowercase. Here u represent uppers to lowercase. If you are writing from lower to upper, then it should be L to U. That should be the basic difference from upper to lower, lower to upper. So this would be the sort basically in JCL. How do we do that logic in JCL? While explaining sort, you will able to understand what is sort and how we are doing. But remember this point: how we convert from lowercase to uppercase in sort. I mean, in JCL is we use a sort card, and we use a transaction transformation basically that represent uppercase to lowercase. This should be the your basic answer when you are explaining with respect to shortcut. But coming to Cobol, there are two ways to do that. One is with respect to inspect verb, other one is function lowercase to because input field is having all uppercase characters. We are using a lowercase function, and to convert that into lowercase, and then we are moving that into output field. So this is one Cobol internal function basically. Apart from that, we can achieve that with respect to inspect also. Let's try that how we are doing with respect to inspect with our program. Okay, let's take replacing program, one replacing program. Okay, let's take the same example. So here, what is the replacing we are using? String one, right? String one is having all characters, all letters in capital letters. So I want all letters in small letters. So replacing all AB by small a, small b. Okay, small c should be small c, and D should be small d. C and D. So I'm just replacing capital A with small a, capital B with small b, capital C with small c, and D. Just replacing the it does nothing else. It will do. It will change from capital letters to small letters. What's happening? Replacing all A, B, C, D. Wait, guys. Let's try this. B, C, D. Okay. Let's execute this. Previously, this didn't. It does not work. Why? Okay. Okay. So why it is not working with respect to inspect is sorry, replacing works only with set of characters, like. So it is taken AB combination, it has taken and it is converted into small letters. So but converting will work at a single character level. So if you look at the here, the converting logic changed from capital letters to small letters. So this should be one basic question they will be asking. So you should be answering that converting with respect to inspect converting logic, we can able to convert from lowercase to uppercase, uppercase to lowercase. That is the basic